your pain we made. I'll take care of the ache. I'm smooth, smooth like the water, 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 water. Going heat wave. Sweat, sweat, sweat. Let me elevate, baby, 'cause you can't lose. All patient room and let me do magic. Leave me where you want. Take me on the tour. When I use the drug of my emotion. Let me light you up. Get you some. You gon' need my magic, magic, magic. Oh, you gon' need my magic, 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 magic. From the way that you pose, yeah, I know. Love my magic, magic. Let me take away all your stress and your pain we made. Baby, I got a rule for you. I'm always your servant. Don't you make a move. Some more meds. I'll be your prescription. Just take a pill or two and watch me change your mood. And I do magic. Leave me where you want. Take me on the floor. Then I use the drug of my emotion. Let me light you up. You gon' need my magic, magic, magic. Oh, you gon' need my magic, 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 magic. From the way that you pose, yeah, I know. Love my magic, magic. Do it, do it. Yay. We close our eyes and we fly naked. Yeah, like shooter. Damn, you stay on my mind. Ooh, this feeling, I love this feeling. Yeah, yeah. When are you coming back through for another round? You lied another round, baby, baby. Keep going up like you do. Just take me high, high, higher, like you always do. So just chill, 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 babe. That's all you gotta do is just chill, chill, chill. And we go up, up, up. Yeah, we go up, up, up. doobies to the face, fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga, fuck that. 2 pills and a halfway, nigga, fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Man, I swear my nigga tripping off that shit again. Pick 'em up, then I sit 'em in cold water. Then I order someone to bring 'em Vica. Then hope they take the pain away from the feeling that he feel today. You know when you're part of Section 8 and you feel like no one can't relate. Cause you are a loner, marijuana. Endorphins make you stronger. I'm in the house party, tripping off my generation. Sipping cough syrup black as water. Never no pancakes in the kitchen, man. Not one of our lives is caught up in the daily superstition that the world is about to end. Gives a fuck, we never do listen unless it comes with an 808. A melody and some hoes, PlayStation and some drink. Technology bought my soul. Looking around and all I see is a big crowd that's product of me, and they probably relatives relevant for a rebel stream. Yep, her president is black, she black. Purple label on her back, but that tap is like blue. She take it straight to the head, then she look at me. She got ADHD. 8 doobies to the face, fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga, fuck that. 2 pills and a halfway, nigga, fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Like whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't got a limit, just give me some more with it. Don't got a limit, just give me some more with it. They always tell me ADHD did it.
And then she started feeling herself like no one else in this apartment. Beg your pardon, oh I rap, baby. How old are you? She say 22, I say 23. Okay, then we all crack babies. Damn, why you say that? She said, where my drink at? I'ma tell you later, just tell your neighbors and the police relax. I stood up, shut the blind, closed the screen, jumbotron, made to the back where she reside. Then she said, read between the lines. Yep, hope that I get close enough when the lights turn down. And the fact that she just might open up when the new folks start to drown. Her body and I know the both of us really deep in the mood now. It's nothing we can do now. Somebody walked in with a pound of that Bay Area Kush. She looked at me, then looked at it, then she grabbed it, then she said, get it understood. You know why we crack babies? Because we born in the 80s. That ADHD crazy. 8 doobies to the face, fuck that. 12 bottles in the case, nigga, fuck that. 2 pills and a halfway, nigga, fuck that. Got a high tolerance when your age don't exist. Like whoa, 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 whoa.
Don't got a limit, just give me some more with it. Don't got a limit, just give me some more with it. They always tell me ADHD